Performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation in a stressful situation can be challenging, but maintaining the right tempo and count is essential for effective resuscitation. Chest compressions should be performed at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths, then resume compressions. A popular way to keep your rhythm is to follow a beat. A couple of popular examples are shown on your screen right now. It is not always easy to count and keep rhythm. That's why we will show you a way to combine the two. We start CPR and count out loud with "and" between every number, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 20 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 30. Staying calm and practicing regularly will make the difference when it counts the most.